Good morning, Year 7. Welcome to today's assembly. As we gather here in the virtual space, let us remind ourselves that although we may not be in the same room, we are united as a Wren School community because Year 11 are busy with their exams using the theatre and the sports hall. It doesn't mean that we can't get together online and have a small assembly just like everybody else is going to have one across the school this week. Today we're going to talk about a topic that is fundamental to our everyday lives. That topic is respect. We all know what respect is, but what does it truly mean? You might have heard the saying, respect is earned, not given. While it's true that we gain respect through our actions and our behaviour, it is equally important to remember that every person deserves to be treated with respect, irrespective of their status, their achievements or their failures. Respect is not just about being polite to your elders, your teachers, your fellow students. It's about acknowledging the value of others, appreciating their unique perspective, and treating everyone equally, regardless of our differences. Let me share with you 3 key areas where respect plays a crucial role in our lives. Respecting others. This means acknowledging the feelings and perspectives of others, even if they're different from our own. It means understanding that everyone has their own story, their own struggles, and their own strengths. Respecting others. This involves taking care of our physical and mental health, standing up for our beliefs, and not letting anyone diminish our self-worth. And finally, respecting the environment. Think of all the lovely trees that are in our playground, that we had to build the building of the Wren around. This means appreciating the world around us, caring for nature, but also caring for the school facilities, and you understanding your role in preserving them for the next year groups that come up. Now, I'd like you to take a moment to think about these 3 areas. Do you really respect others? Do you respect yourself? And how about the environment? Do you make sure you don't drop things on the floor? Don't graffiti the wall? Make sure you don't drop litter? Continuing from where we left, let's discuss a concept that combines the idea of respect with something you might have come across: voluntary associations. So what's a voluntary association? Well, simply put, it's a group of people who come together willingly because of a common interest or goal, just like at the Wren. This could be a sports team as well, could be a school club, could be a community charity, or even a group of friends, or maybe if you're out playing. The beauty of the groups is that everybody chooses to be there. Believe it or not, at school you're also choosing to be here in a weird way. Nobody is forced. And in these groups, respect plays a massive role. So here's a few reasons why. Unity and harmony. That's a good reason. In a group, respect for one another is essential to maintain unity and harmony. It's like the glue that keeps everyone together. When we respect others' views, we foster an environment where everyone feels values or heard. And this is what makes the team or group stronger. Same at the Wren. There's collaboration. Each one of us has unique talents and abilities. Some of you might be fantastic at football, I know a few of you, while others could be just wizards at solving mathematical problems or creating beautiful art. When we respect these differences and collaborate, we can learn from each other and achieve our common goals more effectively. What about building friendships? Showing respect helps to build strong and lasting relationships. Just think about your best friends. Isn't it true that you respect them, their choices, and they do the same to you? This mutual respect is what strengthens that bond. And finally, personal growth. Through respecting others in our group, we learn to appreciate different perspectives, which can help us grow as individuals. It can make us more open-minded, understanding, and compassionate. Now let's imagine a world where everybody respected each other in this way, where every person's views, feelings and choices were valued. A world where we all work together, utilising each other's strengths. How amazing and wonderful would that be? So let's take what we've learnt today and put it into practice, be it in the classroom, football pitch, Microsoft Teams. Let's strive to respect others and their unique qualities. Remember, it's not just a word, it's a way of life. You change how you behave because you really, really love what you think that other thing, that other person, that other building should be. It's not necessarily what they are. Everybody's not perfect. But it's what makes us better individuals, better friends, and better members of our community. And with this thought, let's commit to showing more respect in all aspects of our lives. Thank you for your attention today, Year 7. I trust you'll carry this important message with you. Good morning.